we are in the Boston, Massachusetts airport, and we are waiting for our flight to Seattle. And we're super excited. This is going to be our first time in Seattle. And I believe this is like state 20 of our 50-state excursion. It's pretty exciting. So yeah, quick update.
I said Whataburger.
So this is what I got from Wahlburger. I got the onion rings, and I got the Our Burger wall bowl. I had a hard time saying it, but it looks so good. I haven't tried it yet, but give me like a second. So as you can see, I finished that burger bowl. It was really good. The only thing I have to say is that it definitely needed some more dressing. The dressing was really good. They had that special sauce. I didn't really finish the onion rings. I don't know. I didn't like how they looked, but they were all right. They weren't bad. Just, you know, looked weird, but really good overall. Goodness, that sun is, oh, I love that. Anyway, we are here in Seattle. We are about to catch our train, the Coast Starlight train. I think we got about like 15 minutes, so we're gonna head to the deli to get some snacks for the train because we know it's about to be a long ride and we want some snacks. And yeah, so let's do this. Just got our snacks and now we're about to head back to the Amtrak train. And we don't have that much time left. We don't have that much time left until our train departs. It's about, I think, like 8:30 right now, probably a little before. And our train leaves at 9:45, so we got here really early. But it actually wasn't that bad of a ride in here. Like, I was expecting a long commute, but
so you
it was good.
Getting up butt early to get ready to be here waiting for almost 2 hours.
Better early than late. We don't know how. Come on, we don't know how the traffic is after a certain time. So, but yeah, so that's that. because we have something to do tomorrow in Vegas. So we ended up taking the shorter version of the Coastlight, not the Coastlight, the Starlight train tour. But it was really nice. I think we missed a lot of the nice scenery though, because it was nighttime. So that's okay.
I think that's the whole point, that they schedule the time to leave at the time.
Place up in the luggage racks. We do ask you please keep all seats available for people. Your ticket allows you to have one seat. There's plenty of luggage racks around for your bag. They do not need their own seat.
Well, you know, they very well could have, you know, strategically, you know, timed it. But anyway, so right now we're on the San Joaquin train, and we're headed towards Bakersfield, California. Bakersfield, California. And then we're gonna hop on a bus from Bakersfield to
you finished playing?
To LA, and then we rented a car, so we're gonna. They're arguing right now, so we're going to take a rental car from Union Station to Vegas, and yeah. Good morning. Okay, so it is Friday, April 25th, I think, or 26th. 26th, yes. And we are about to go hiking on Red Canyon, or Red Rock Canyon. I'm super excited. Yes, that's sun. It is, I think, like 77 degrees out right now. So hopefully I don't like die of heat stroke out there. And it's only like 7:30 or 7:45. So we'll see how this goes. But right now I'm headed to the car. We rented a car. And so I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna drive there. And actually I gotta find a bank first so I can get some cash to pay for everything. But yeah, I'm super excited. Y'all, I made it. Oh my gosh, y'all should see that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is the view. Like, this is perfection. Now I'm actually at the visitor center right now. And this is just the view from there, but I'm gonna try and knock out this hike in an hour. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but we'll see. All right, let's get it. Okay, this is just one view, but look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm all parked all crazy, but jeez, man. Unfortunately, I didn't get to actually hike Red Rocks Canyon, but I did go the scenic route, as you saw. I have to say, I don't know if the video is going to do it justice, but it's gorgeous in person, and I definitely want to come back and actually do some hikes. They had some really difficult hikes that were, let me roll these windows up, that were longer, and they were also I guess just harder, like, you know, more rocks to get over and everything like that. So I'll probably do like an easier intermediate one. They had some really short ones that were like half a mile, and then some really long ones that were like quite a few miles. So I'd probably do like a moderately lengthy one. But yeah, it was so awesome, super dope. I'm so excited to come back and actually do something. I don't have really much time this time, but for a first visit, pretty awesome, and I definitely recommend if you're like into like the mountains and if you're like into aesthetics and stuff like that, definitely come see this place because it's so cool. Just to let you know, it does cost I think it said $5 per person if you're just walking in, but it's like $15 flat if you're in a car, so or a car and a truck. So if you come with like a group of friends, you all can just split that 15 and, you know, be able to go on the trail and all that good stuff. So all right, it's our last day in Vegas. We are 3B, yes, we are headed to Gordon Ramsay's Grill in Caesar's Palace, I believe. I don't know the exact name of it, but that's where we're going. This is gonna be like our last something. But Gordon Ramsay owns it, so we're going to eat, and it'll be like our last little thing we do in Vegas before we head back to LA, because we have to drop off this car and everything like that. But we have a late flight, so yeah. So we're just kind of trying to kill time, and yeah, we'll show you what this place looks like when we get in there. Traditional British dish with some veggies. I don't know if you can see that. And a pretzel. Yum yum. Hey, we are leaving Vegas. Like, this is our last hurrah. We're leaving Caesar's Palace now, and we're headed to the car. And we're out of here. You know I love that little dance you do. It was a long trip, but we made it. We're super tired, but we're actually gonna go see the Avengers because it just came out. So we're gonna go catch that and then probably just conk out for the rest of the night. But I hope you guys like this video. This is one of many more to come, not just of me and my mom and sister's adventures, but also my own with my friends, and as well as solo trips that I plan on taking. Also some how-to videos, some travel tips, things like that. So stay tuned. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later.